Going on, guys? We're live. Shit, it's been a long day, but we are back to another crypto video. This one is gonna be light. It's gonna be a little light. Hold on. I want the live chat to just be like just colon right here somewhere. Just oh no, you guys don't even see that. Alright, fuck it. I'll make it work. This is what I'll do. There you go. Let's go down. What the fuck, bro? Put this right here. I gotta fix this live chat for you guys. That's my concern right now. This is not gonna be done unless I fix it. Okay. This right here. I'm gonna shrink this motherfucker. It doesn't want to shrink. So I'm just gonna put this guy over here. Have the live chat right there. And boom. Let me close this out. Alright. We're back in business. Sorry that took long. But here we are. The Bitcoin chart. And for a while now I've just been thinking. And now I just decided to go on stream. Let me turn that down. Decided to go on stream and just talk to you guys real quick. Let you guys know what's going on really with the market. Well, at least give you my perspective, because whatever you think with the market is entirely, to your decision, your thought process. But me, guys, it's make or break time. It is make or break time, and with everything going on in the markets, you just never know what's going to happen. You just never know. That's why you always got to prepare for the worst. That's why I'm drawing these yellow lines. These yellow lines are warning lines, not lines. Warning lines, because that's our support line at the same time. But look how low these prices are. Range between 15,000 to 2,000. We're not going to 2,000. More realistically, it's looking like 7. It looks like 8,000, or between 8,000 and 13, 15,000. That's where we may crash down to if we break below this yellow line in the RSI. Because if we don't break out of this, even with on the weekly, the chart's looking down here. It looks like it's ready to come up. But it's just, look what happened here. Look what happened here. We just had 1, 2, 3 stable weeks, and then boom, huge crash. See that huge crash up here? And now we're going back to that level where it's now we have one good week. Well, we had some stable weeks. A nice little uptrend, but you never know what's gonna happen, because look, we're bouncing on the 200-day moving average. If you zoom in just over here, if you see this blue line, let me see. I want to make it see if I can make it bigger. If I make it bigger, it looks better. I don't know what that means. Precision. I'll do this. Okay, there we go. The fuck? I don't know what it just did. Oh, I think it's the precisions. Let me take that shit off. Okay. No, that wasn't it. Anyway, you see we're bouncing off of it right now. The 200-day moving average, weekly moving average. It's pretty much just is this. This really moves the market. These lines, because if you look, what the fuck? Look all the way back here. I wish I could reset that now. We bounced off it right here in these levels. When we were around, just 3,000, 2,000. We bounced off the 200 weekly moving average, and came up significantly. Say about that's about 300%. We hopped out of that, but times were different back then. There was a lot more room to grow, and it was growing fast and huge. You can see that was the 35x. Bitcoin grew 35 times. $100 plus, time multiply that by 35 is 3,500. Is it no 3,500, 35,000? I think it's 3,500. I don't know. You guys do the math. I don't want to do the math right now. Math is too hard. And even back here, if you guys look over here, this was a huge jump. Just this alone was a 39x. And then imagine holding over here, it 100x. Yeah, almost 200x. Well, it definitely did 200x because Bitcoin is literally at zero. But say for example, if you bought back in 2012, if you was an old head and you bought it back in 2012, you would have made fucking put $100 in there. You made $100,000, right? Yeah, you made $100,000. This is where the Bitcoin millionaires came. Bitcoin millionaires came from this era right here. And then, obviously, but if you, oh shit, look at this. Look at this. Look at this correlation right here. Okay, I can't go further back, but since that 100x coming down, oh no, that was from when I was here. Okay, yeah, so that brings me to my next point as to how bad things could get, because look at what happened here. It's the same thing that's happening now with the RSI levels. And look, so if I let me make this more accurate for you guys. We're approaching it, and this is on the weekly. And if the weekly bounces off of this and goes back down, there's a possibility we will be touching these levels down here. Say for example, we drop now. If you buy now and you lost money, you would have lost 28% of that. Say you put $100, 28% of that being, if it crashes down to 17,000 and then you just decide to put money in at 17,000, that's a possibility. Say if it drops down to down here at 15,000, 15,000, you would have lost 37%. Bitcoin would have been at a 37% discount, as I would say. And then if we go further down, say we might go to 12,000, 10,000, that's a 50% discount. Or even very worst case scenario, Bitcoin goes down to 84,000. Given market conditions and in the economy, it's just fucked. This could be a case scenario before we could actually, go higher. So expect the worst, guys. But even in the worst of times, there are greater times to find opportunity there. I'll leave you with that. And even with Ethereum, well, Ethereum's kind of, it's kind of carrying this fucking market right now, which I fucking love. It broke. You see how I drew this fucking line? and how the line fucking it followed that line perfectly for some fucking reason. It's because I'm a fucking technical analysis god, I would say. Not a god, but I just understand this shit. I understand this shit. That's all you need to do. If you understand the lines and the trends, you could easily read the charts and see where this market's gonna go. And then you can start trading and, like, obviously not leveragely. I don't want to promote that. None of that. Leverage is, you don't want to do that. It's not your money, so why are you using that for leverage? But hey, I'm talking like swing trading, buying at the bottoms down here. Like, say you bought at 1,000, you put $100 in there. Right now, you almost just about doubled it. You made $80, $90. Could have take that as profits. You still got your $100 and you got $90. You could put that $90 into something else, like these guys. Look at Tesla. Tesla's doing the same shit. The same shit I've been fucking drawing. I don't. Man, you see, this is my issue. It's my issue. I bought Apple right here, and I drove it up here and sold it. I sold it around here. And then this happened. I didn't take the opportunity like Tard and bought it, but then it just came up like crazy, like quick 30%. That's really crazy. I would have made a 30% play if I just wasn't a Tard. But hey, that's just it's the gimmicks of it. You know, you gotta, with these kind of plays, you gotta be in there for the long haul. Get your long-term bag with these guys, Tesla, Apple, like the stocks and the stock market. These should be your guys that you should have a good amount in. And like, don't sell it all. Don't be a me, because I just like to trade. I like to make quick bucks. So that's why I did that. But what you gotta do is, I got this little finger thingy. But what you gotta do, dollar cost average and hold for the long term, because look at Apple. And what's Apple gonna keep doing? It's gonna keep going up. It's going to keep going up. But honestly, everything doesn't go up forever. It literally went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks in a row. It's going to meet some resistance. I'm just going to draw that just in case. You know, anything might happen. Manufacturing issues. But I'm not saying I'm bearish on Apple. But you just got to remember, we're in a technical recession. We're in a recession. Technically, because nobody wants to actually admit that we're in a recession, but we're clearly in a recession still. It's just the markets are being heavily controlled right now. I personally think the market's being controlled right now. Also, you guys should be getting commodities and commodity plays like gold mining stocks, and a lot more of these crypto tokens. This is not financial advice. It's just my opinion. But why do I have this fucking line like that? That's so ugly. Alright, bet. It's a man. Is he a band? No, it's a man. Alright, Cardano, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, Cardano? Because I feel like at this point, look at this purple line. We're on the purple line, actually. Believe it or not, this is the purple line. And you know what the purple line is? It's the long-term trend line. And Cardano, you need to hurry up and blow up. It's been so long. Way so long. Come on, Charles. That's just ApeCoin. Ain't much to say about ApeCoin. Actually, I'm gonna end the stream right there. I already said what I had to say. Nobody's fucking commenting, so it's just gonna be a video that I put out there, so that way you guys can understand. Just like in the beginning. Right now, at this point, I'm just rambling. So if you just want to hear me talk, continue with the video. But yeah, I mean, the first part of the video was crucial, not the part where I was trying to fix the live chat, but the part where I was just talking about really seeing the opportunity in the bad times where we're falling, we're free falling. You don't see it as you're losing, but see that as a buying opportunity, because we are not going to see prices this low ever again. And the sooner you understand that, the better. The better. Because look at that. It's a 200. It's a 200x, I think. I don't fucking know. It's a 2,000% gain from, let's say, 3,000 all the way up to 68,000. And now where we're at right now, say it's right here. You just keep fucking waiting. You could be above. You could triple your money. Times is changing, but the lower the price goes, the more likely we're going to see a huge recovery. And I don't know what happened here. I really don't know what's going on with my fucking charts. My charts are fucking up today. But this was a very, very long term chart that determines when we're gonna go to 369,000, which I believe I'm not gonna draw it again. It took me a while to do it. You could just watch my last video if you want to see. I don't know when. I think it was my last couple of videos where I said that. But yeah, by like 2026, 2025, 26, we're going at 369,000. I'm putting that out there for all the analysts that want to argue with me. Suck my balls. Bitcoin's going to 369,000 in 2026. That's just my general opinion. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it off as that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. I'm very tired, so I'm gonna fucking go to sleep. Alright, but thank you for tuning in if you did. Let me bring this back up and stop stream. Peace, man. Oh, I had my tank top all like this and shit. That's how you know I'm tired. Alright, guys.